In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a message on WhatsApp Web. First, open your preferred web browser and search for WhatsApp Web. Click the official result to go to the web version. You can also type the address directly if you already know it. Make sure you've got a stable internet connection, and consider keeping this tab pinned so it's easy to return to later. Next, link your account. The most common way is to scan the QR code shown on the screen. On your phone, open WhatsApp, go to the menu for linked devices, choose to link a new device, and point your phone's camera at the QR code on your computer. If you see the option to log in using your phone number instead, follow the on-screen instructions for that method. Either way, you're connecting the same account you use on your phone to the web interface. Once you're logged in, your chats will load. If they don't appear right away, give it a few seconds or refresh the page. Now, open the conversation that contains the message you want to change. Keep in mind, you can only edit messages you sent, and WhatsApp typically allows editing within a limited time window after sending. Hover your mouse over the message you want to fix. When you do, a small menu icon, usually a downward arrow, appears in the top right corner of that message bubble. Click that arrow to open the message options. From the drop-down that appears, select Edit. The message will open in an editable text box, so you can correct typos, clarify your wording, or adjust details. Take a moment to read it over before saving. This is especially helpful if the message is important or could be misunderstood. When you're ready, click the checkmark to confirm your changes, or simply press Enter on your keyboard. If you change your mind, pressing Escape cancels the edit. After you save, the message will show an edited label so everyone knows it was updated, but recipients won't see the original text. A few quick tips to make this smooth. If you need a new line while editing, use Shift plus Enter. Keep your edits consistent with the original intent to avoid confusion. And if you can't find the edit option, it may be beyond the edit window, or the feature might not be available for that specific message type. That's it. You searched for WhatsApp Web, linked your account, hovered over the message, opened the menu, chose Edit, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.